Hey, what's going on, everyone? It is your best and number one YouTube plumber, Plumber Mike from Pipe Doctor Plumbing, Heating, and Air Conditioning. 516-348-6300. This morning we are going to do preventative maintenance on multiple HVAC systems, and we're going to change out the AprilAire 213 media cartridge on this AprilAire media assembly cabinet. So very easy. We're just going to remove that, and you'll see that there's a couple latches there which go into there, and we're going to slide this one out. Bear with me, this is a little tricky with one hand. Very easy, guys. We slide this out, and you will notice, let's get some light here so you can see a little bit better, that there are these tracks on the left and right hand side. In this case, since the air handling unit is vertical, left and right hand side. If it was horizontal, obviously the top and the bottom. And on the replacement media, it slides in there. So take that one out. Let me see if I can just brace this just the right way. All right. I got my new media replacement. And you want to pay very close attention to the arrow. Now the arrow always wants to go towards the equipment. And we'll just basically accordion them out like that. And we will slide in. Okay. So let me just show you guys. So as you can see, it's basically resting in the track. And as you can see, this one is not in, so let's redo that one real quick. And now it is in the track. We just slid that in. And now we're going to take the cover, stick that there, and it snaps into place. Again, sorry for the angles in this video. It is kind of hard doing it with one hand, but I think you got the gist of it. This is for the AprilAire 2210, which uses the AprilAire 213 replacement media cartridge. Sorry, replacement media filter, for lack of better words, which you can purchase from your local HVAC supply store if you are an HVAC contractor, or from online sources, Amazon or other online avenues. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't done so already, we're looking to build our subscriber base. So if you like these videos, you want us to keep pushing them out to you guys, and I would really appreciate it if you can subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell to get notifications when we do post new videos, and any thoughts, comments, feedback, drop them down below in the comment section. We do personally respond to every single comment that's made, and we'll answer your questions in a quick and timely fashion. And if you're in the New York metropolitan area, Long Island included, please give us a call. We would love to service your property. 516-348-6300. We are located in Valley Stream, right on the border of Queens and Nassau. Thank you very much. Have a great day.